How to make great videos on the go. Assalamu alaikum, this is your brother Mohammad Arshad, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make great videos on the go. So I've just finished from Asda shopping, just had to get some quick things, a few things, very busy Sunday morning, right? And I thought that it's very good because video is so powerful nowadays, and if we can get used to making great videos on the go when we don't have much time, I think it can be very beneficial for your business, for your organization, or for whatever you're trying to do. So here are my 3 tips, my 3 steps to making great videos. The first step is choose a great topic. Choose a great topic. Now, what is a great topic? A great topic is something that your audience really cares about, right? So you don't want to choose something that the audience would look at and go, okay, that's interesting. You want to choose something that they look at and go, wow, I need that, I want that, I'm interested in that, I care about that, something like that. And then the second part to this step is actually choosing something that you know about, something that is a strength for you. Now, if you don't know about it or you don't have that strength, you can always go and find out and test it yourself. So in this video, for me, like, I know my audience cares about creating great videos, and I am passionate about communication and everything to do with confidence and video. So it's a perfect match. So whenever you're choosing your topic, make sure it's a match between what the audience cares about and what is a strength for you and the things that you have experience in as well. So step 2. Now, step 2 is very simple. Just think about 3 points that you want to cover in the video. So once you've got this topic, you want to be thinking about what are the 3 main points, because a lot of the times what happens is there's information overload, too many things coming over to you, so you don't get enough benefit, it's not practical, or there's not enough information, it's too short, it's too simplified, and there's nothing there. So we want to use the rule of 3, and we want to basically get the 3 best points out there that will help them to do what you're saying you're going to help them with. So for example, in this video, I've said to you the first step is choosing a great topic. The second step is choosing 3 points, right? Now, with these 3 points, what you can do is you can actually think of them over time. So just imagine, like, you see something and you're inspired by an idea and you think, oh, I should make a video on that. You can start thinking about, okay, if I did make a video on that, what would be the single most important thing I want to tell someone? Right? Then when you got that one thing, I'd say, what's the next single most important thing I want to tell someone? And then you do that again for the 3rd time, right? And you just kind of think about these things, like, on this point, what do I want to say? So you can either do it on the go immediately if you've got those 3 points, especially if it's an area that you know well, or it's something that you can think over time. But the main thing is get clear on those 3 points, and then when you have those 3 points in your head, it becomes very easy for you to do the video. So for example, in this video, I've got no notes, I've got nothing that I'm looking at to prompt me, but I just know the 3 main points that I want to cover. So that's the second step. The 3rd step, this is the last step, is actually do a fake take. Do a fake take, okay? Most of the problem that I've found when I'm coaching clients and when I'm speaking to people about communication is that they just stop themselves. They hold back, right? Rather than taking action, rather than recording, rather than, just doing it, they hold back. And there's loads of reasons for that. There's judgment, there's not doing it right, perfectionism, all these kind of things, right? But the 3rd tip that I've got for you, the 3rd step, is do a fake take. So what I mean by a fake take is that just start recording. Like, say to yourself that, you know what, this take that I'm going to do of it is not actually going to be the real take. This is just a fake take. This is just for me to practice it and just for me to do it. And so you go out there, you do it, and just talk very freely, very comfortably, because you know that's not going to go out, right? And once you do that, what you'll find is that that fake take is actually usually good enough to go out. So with this one, for example, like, this is my fake take, but I'm still going to put it out there because I've covered all the points I want to cover. I've said everything I wanted to say in the way that I wanted to say it, so it's good enough. But having that mindset of the fake take, it makes you think that, oh, this is not going to go out there. And really the truth is, if it's not good enough, like, you actually do the fake take and you really think it's not good enough, then that's fine, you don't need to use it. And then you do another fake take, because now that you've spoken about the topic and you've done it already, you'll find that the next time you speak about it, the next time you do it, it'll actually be easier and it'll be better than the one you did previously. So use the fake take to get you to take action, right? So as I said, 3 simple steps to making videos, great videos on the go. Number 1, choose a great topic, a topic that you care about, that you know about, and that your audience cares about. Number 2 is choose the 3 main most important points that you want to cover in the video, and just think them through in your head and just make them 3 prompts for you. And then the third tip is to actually take a fake take, or make a fake take. Basically just go out there, just get on the camera and start recording, and inshallah by the end of it you'll have a great video. So jazakallah khair for watching, and I'll see you soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.